this is a video on how, like, things that your kitten or cat absolutely loves. I've just done it to my kitten. She's about 12 weeks old now, are you, baby? She's quite small. Well, she's very small actually. You might be able to hear if we're... Hang on, I just need to get the remote off without moving it. Actually, I just have to move her. Right. You might be able to hear her purr. Can you hear? Get closer. Okay, so if you can't hear it, I'm sorry, I'm not too sure if you can. Anyway, okay, so your kitten will love hugs and kisses and all sorts of things. You want her to calm down, hey? My kitten's just biting me. But luckily, it's only play biting. Okay, so what you do is, your kitten, if your kitten comes up to you, you go, hello, and then you give her a really good hug. And then you give her lots of kisses. Well, her or you, like her or you, or, you know. Lots of kisses, so. And then, as you can see, I'm rubbing her on the neck. She really loves that. You'll become her favourite. She can see herself, so she'll probably pounce on this in a minute. Oh no, she just jumps down. She's just sniffing the computer. There's a couple of other things that you can do. If she's in a playful mood and your mum's like, stop it, and you're thinking, she's a kitten, she's supposed to be playful. And your mum's like, well, blah blah blah, you need to sort her out and all of that. What you do to sort her out, get one of her toys. Jerry, you might want to move for a minute. Cherry, be nice to them, yeah? Just be 1 minute. There's Benji in the background, just in the red basket. Sorry. Get one of her toys. Here's one here. As you can see, she's running to it straight away. This is her toy. Now, I think all kittens love these toys. Got a little feather, a bell, and it's a little mouse. At first I thought it was an elephant, but no, it's a mouse. Hang on. My mum needs home. Then, after that, you just play. And then, they love this. Sometimes they do if they're in good moods. And then you can go like, oh, sorry Cherry, you go like this. You just jump up and down with her, and she finds it really fun. See what she looks like from the front. And then, you rock her like a baby. And she should be fine. After that, hope you enjoyed it, and get some tips from me. Thank you, bye.